Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about the weather and our favorite seasons. Do you like talking about the weather?
Yes, I do. I think weather is very interesting, and seasons are fun to discuss. I like to know what the weather is like and which season makes me feel happy.
Great. I have many questions about weather and seasons. Let's share our ideas and experiences. Tom, what is the weather like today where you are?
Today it is sunny and warm. The sky is clear and blue. It is a perfect day to go outside.
That sounds lovely. Here, it is a little cloudy, but not rainy. I like when the weather is nice like this.
Yes, I agree. I think weather can change our mood. When it is sunny, I feel energetic and happy.
I feel the same way. Sunny days make me smile, but sometimes rainy days can be cozy too.
That is true. Rainy days can be good for reading a book or watching a movie at home.
What do you like about spring, Tom?
I love spring because the weather is mild and warm. The trees start to grow leaves and the flowers bloom. It is a time of new beginnings.
Spring is very beautiful. I like to see the colors of the flowers and hear the birds singing. It feels like everything is fresh.
Yes, spring makes me feel happy. I often go for a walk in the park to enjoy the fresh air.
I like to ride my bicycle in spring. The gentle breeze and the bright colors make me feel very alive.
Spring is also a time to plant a garden. I sometimes help my family plant vegetables in our small garden.
That sounds fun. I like gardening too. I think spring is the best season for nature.
What about summer, Sarah? Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer very much. Summer is warm and sunny. I love to go to the beach and swim in the sea.
I like summer too. In summer, the days are long, and I can play sports outside for many hours.
I also enjoy having picnics in the park on summer days. The weather is perfect for outdoor activities.
Summer makes me feel energetic. I like to run and play football with my friends in the park.
Sometimes summer can be very hot. I wear a hat and sunglasses to protect myself from the sun.
That is important. In summer, I always drink a lot of water and eat fresh fruits to stay cool.
Tom, do you like autumn?
Yes, I like autumn. Autumn is a beautiful season. The leaves on the trees turn red, yellow, and orange.
I love the colors of autumn. It makes the city look very pretty. I enjoy walking on the streets and seeing the fallen leaves.
Autumn is also a time for cool weather. It is not too hot and not too cold. I feel comfortable in autumn.
I like to wear light jackets and scarves in autumn. The weather is perfect for a cozy walk in the park.
Sometimes autumn reminds me of festivals and family gatherings. It is a happy season for me.
Yes, many people celebrate harvest festivals in autumn. It is a time to give thanks and enjoy good food.
Now, what do you think about winter, Sarah?
Winter is very different from the other seasons. I like winter because it is cold and sometimes snowy.
I like winter too, but I also feel a bit cold. In winter, I wear a warm coat, a hat, and gloves.
Snow in winter is beautiful. I love to see the snow cover the trees and the ground. It makes everything look magical.
Yes, I sometimes go sledding with my friends when it snows. It is very fun to slide down a hill on a sled.
I enjoy making snowmen and having snowball fights. Winter has many fun activities if you dress warmly.
Winter can be very quiet too. I like sitting by the window with a cup of hot chocolate and watching the snow fall.
That sounds very cozy. Winter is a time for indoor activities and spending time with family. Tom, which season do you like the most?
I think my favorite season is spring. I love the new life, the flowers, and the mild weather. It makes me feel full of hope.
Spring is very beautiful. For me, I love summer because I enjoy the long, sunny days and outdoor activities.
I understand. Summer is very energetic and fun. But I also appreciate the calm of autumn and the magic of winter.
Yes, each season has its charm. I sometimes enjoy autumn when the weather is cool and the leaves change color.
It is hard to choose just one favorite season because they are all different and special.
I agree. Maybe we can say that we like different seasons for different reasons. Tom, how does the weather affect your daily activities?
When the weather is good, I like to go outside, exercise, and play sports. When it is rainy or cold, I stay at home, read a book, or watch a movie.
I feel the same. On sunny days, I often go for a walk or meet my friends at a cafe. On rainy days, I like to listen to music and relax indoors.
Weather also affects the way I dress. I wear light clothes in summer and warm clothes in winter.
That is true. I change my wardrobe with the seasons. In autumn, I wear a sweater and a scarf, and in spring, I wear a light jacket.
The weather also affects my mood. When it is bright and sunny, I feel more positive. When it is cloudy or rainy, I sometimes feel a little tired.
I notice that too. A sunny day makes me feel energetic and happy. What activities do you like to do in each season, Tom?
In spring, I like to visit the park, go for walks, and plant some flowers in my garden. I also enjoy the fresh air and new beginnings.
That sounds lovely. In summer, I love to go swimming, have picnics, and visit the beach with my friends.
In autumn, I enjoy going for long walks to see the changing leaves. I also like to take photographs of nature.
I love autumn photography too. In winter, I enjoy indoor activities like reading and watching films. I also like to play in the snow when it is cold.
Yes, winter has many fun indoor activities. I sometimes bake cookies and warm up with a good book.
Celebrating the seasons is fun. Many people have festivals in each season. I enjoy the Harvest Festival in autumn and the winter holidays. Do you check the weather forecast every day, Tom?
Yes, I do. I like to know if it is going to be sunny or rainy. It helps me plan my day.
I check the weather on my phone every morning. It tells me if I need an umbrella or a light jacket.
That is very useful. I also plan my activities based on the weather. For example, if it is sunny, I plan to go outside.
I plan my weekend trips based on the weather forecast. I want to visit the park when it is nice and clear.
Weather forecasts help us make good plans. They make our free time more enjoyable.
Yes, Knowing the weather helps me decide what to wear and what activities to do. Have you ever experienced very extreme weather, Tom?
Yes, I have. One year, I experienced heavy rain and a strong windstorm. It was a bit scary, but it was interesting to see nature at its power.
I remember one winter when we had a big snowstorm. The roads were closed and everything was covered in white. It felt like a winter wonderland.
Extreme weather can be both challenging and beautiful. It reminds us that nature is very strong.
Yes, and it also makes me appreciate the calm days. After a storm, the air is fresh and clean.
I always feel grateful when the weather is nice after a period of extreme weather.
Tom, has the weather ever changed your plans?
Yes, many times. I once planned a picnic with my friends, but it started to rain. We moved our plan to a cafe instead.
I have the same experience. I planned to visit the museum on a sunny day, but suddenly it rained. I had to cancel the outdoor trip.
Sometimes unexpected weather can change our plans, but it is good to be flexible.
Yes, I try to have a backup plan. When it rains, I like to read at home or watch a movie.
Being flexible helps us enjoy our free time no matter what the weather is.
Tom, do you know if the weather is different in other parts of the country?
Yes, I have heard that in some regions, it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. In the mountains, it can be very snowy.
I have visited a coastal town where it was very windy and cool, even in summer.
It is interesting how weather can change from one place to another. I would like to travel to different regions to experience various weather.
I agree. Traveling to different areas helps me learn more about the world and appreciate the diversity of weather. Can you share a personal memory about weather that you really like, Tom?
Sure, Sarah. I remember one summer evening when the sky was full of stars after a clear, warm day. I sat on the balcony with my family and we talked for hours. The weather was perfect and made me feel peaceful.
That is a beautiful memory. I remember one autumn day when I walked in a park with colorful leaves and a gentle breeze. I felt so calm and happy.
Weather can create wonderful memories that we treasure.
Yes, these memories remind us of good times and make us smile when we think about them. Tom, does the weather change what food and drinks you like?
Yes, it does. In summer, I like to drink cold water, eat ice cream, and have fresh fruits. In winter, I prefer warm soup and hot chocolate.
I feel the same. In autumn, I enjoy drinking apple cider and eating pumpkin pie. In spring, I like to eat light salads and drink lemonade.
Food and drinks can match the weather. They make the season feel even better.
Yes, and sometimes I try to cook a new recipe that fits the season. It is a fun way to celebrate the weather. Tom, how does the weather affect your mood?
Sunny weather makes me feel happy and energetic. I enjoy going outside when the sun is shining.
I feel very cheerful on sunny days too. But sometimes, when it is rainy and gray, I feel a little sad.
I understand. Rainy days can be a bit gloomy. But sometimes I also feel calm on a rainy day, as if I can think clearly.
That is true. The weather can influence our emotions in many ways. I try to find beauty even on cloudy days.
Yes, I try to stay positive no matter what the weather is like.
Tom, do you have any plans for the upcoming seasons?
Yes, I do. Next spring, I plan to visit a large botanical garden to see all the flowers. I also want to go on a picnic with my friends.
That sounds wonderful. In summer, I plan to go to the beach and swim in the sea. I also want to try some water sports if the weather is good.
Water sports in summer are very fun. In autumn, I hope to take a long walk in the forest to see the changing leaves.
I would love that too. And in winter, I plan to visit a ski resort and try skiing for the first time. That is exciting. Each season brings a new adventure. I look forward to trying different activities. Tom, how do you prepare for different weather conditions?
I always check the weather forecast. I pack an umbrella or a warm coat when needed. I also plan my activities based on the forecast.
That is very practical. I always keep a small bag with an extra sweater and an umbrella in my car.
Being prepared helps me enjoy my day without worry. I feel more confident when I know I have what I need.
Yes, planning and preparation are important parts of dealing with weather. It makes everything smoother. Tom, talking about weather and seasons has made me appreciate how diverse and beautiful nature is.
I feel the same, Sarah. Each season has its own charm and brings different opportunities for fun and relaxation.
I am happy that we can share our thoughts about weather. It helps me plan my activities and feel more connected with nature.
Yes, our conversation reminds me to enjoy every day, no matter what the weather is. I feel inspired to try new outdoor activities in each season.
I agree. I will remember to look for the beauty in every season and enjoy the little things the weather brings. I must go now, Tom, but I really enjoyed our long talk about the weather and our favorite seasons.
I enjoyed our conversation too, Sarah. It was fun to share our experiences and plans. I feel more excited about the upcoming seasons.
Thank you, Tom. I look forward to planning some outdoor activities with you soon, maybe a picnic or a day at the park.
That sounds like a great plan, Sarah. Let's talk again soon about our plans. Enjoy the lovely weather today.
Thank you, Tom. Have a wonderful day and stay happy, no matter the weather.
You too, Sarah. Take care and see you soon.
Goodbye, Tom.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.